Here we have a Four Winds 355 Vista, model year 2016, one owner boat, always fresh water here on Lake St. Clair. In the water every season, but low engine hours. Not atypical for a Lake St. Clair boat. Bravo 3 stern drives. Pardon the tree litter, it's springtime. Boat's in good condition. Canvas is very new, 1 or 2 years old. Custom made by the Miller Canvas here on the lake, one of the better canvas shops on the water. Stratoglass in the forward panels for better visibility. Cockpit TV with a umbrella cover. Nice U-shaped cockpit seating. New cockpit carpet. Of course, the Mercury Axius joystick control really makes docking a breeze. Garmin display with XM weather radio. Skyhook, the digital anchoring system from Axius. VHF, all the goodies. Umbrella helm cover. Something Four Winds does is really quite a nice feature. Walk-through windshield. Makes bow access very safe and easy. Of course, on the bow you've got a sun pad, power windlass, spotlight, wipers. Nice wide salon entry. 3 steps down to the salon. Nice settee sitting, which pulls out, makes it a little wider for a berth. On the port side, storage above, distribution panel. Mid cabin, which is either seating or sleeping. You can see the memory foam pad they've had made. V-berth forward with access from either side, so you don't have to crawl over one another. Hanging locker storage to either side. Storage above the berth itself. Drawer storage underneath the berth. Microwave, of course, air conditioning and heat. Smart TV here in the cabin. Nice head compartment. Vacu-flush head, of course. Shower. Wonderful boat, ready and available for sale right here at Belmare Harbor. Call for a showing. Thank you.